Hello guys, so let's learn a new word for today, which is buttress. B-U-T-T-R-E-S-S. Buttress. Buttress means a structure of stone or brick built against a wall to strengthen or support. A structure of stone or brick built against a wall to strengthen or support. So let's have a look for a few examples. What are the synonyms for buttress? There are prop, support, abutment, shore, pier, reinforcement, stanchion, stay. Prop, support, abutment, shore, pier, reinforcement, stanchion, and stay. Let's have a look at a few examples. Number 1. The cathedral massive buttress. The cathedral massive buttress. Number 2. She clung to her shrinking feet as a buttress against its bay. She clung to her shrinking feet as a buttress against its bay. Number 3. More government spending is needed to buttress industry. More government spending is needed to buttress industry. Number 4. It was decided to buttress the crumbling wall. It was decided to buttress the crumbling walls. Number 5. The government intends to buttress up its power. The government intends to buttress up its power.